How to fix Spotify this content is not available. Today guys, I will show you the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go now directly to apps, and on apps you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search just for Spotify. When you found Spotify, just open it like this and then go to storage option. Then go to the last button, clear data, and click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last things it's to go in to Play Store and updating your Spotify again. And that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.